and the ocean is not open. Banu Israel, they say, look what you did. You always bring trouble. We was now suffering. Fir'aun, he's going to crush us. He says, Kalla, inna ma'iya rabbi sayahdini. No, my Lord is with me. So Ibrahim, although he was tested, this big test, and he's going to be thrown onto the fire, yet he would say, no, I don't have no need for you, Ya Jibreel, thank you so much, but to Allah. And then he says, Hasbi Allah. That's what it means. Hasbi Allah. Sufficient for me, Allah. When you and me, we would be faced on one of the biggest calamity, it will never be like this. But still we are commanded to say, Hasbunallah. والذين قال لهم الناس إن الناس قد جمعوا لكم فاخشوهم قالوا حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل فانقلبوا بنعمة من الله وفضل لم يمسسهم سوء. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he's talking about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They say also Hasbunallah. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he says every time you was faced with the biggest calamity, say Hasbi Allah. Enough, Allah is for me. Allah is sufficient to defend me. When you are about to face a tyranny, somebody is going to harm you, whatever you do, wallahi, this is tested, but say it from your heart. And what story came to my mind, one time, there was a man traveling on the desert. It's an authentic story, that a man was traveling, and when he was traveling with his good and his money, and he used to travel and for other people's money, so he got extra money from other people. He was met with theft, a theft, and there's a burglar, a killer. He says, come, what you have? He search him, he find the money, I need your money, I need your belongings, and he says, I want your life as well. He says, why you want my life? Take the money, take the horse, take everything. Why you want to kill me? He says, this is what I want. I want to take your money and I will take your life. He says, give me to pray 2 rak'ah, please. He says, pray ma badalak. Pray as much as you want. He was thinking that the prayer, but this is the silahul mu'min, which is the weapon of a believer. Like the Prophet ﷺ, he said, this is a weapon that Allah has given you, but you need to be sincere. You have to be sincere from your heart. He went and he prayed. What did he say in his prayer? He says, Ya Wadud, Ya Wadud, Ya Wadud. Oh beloved one. Wadud means that he will never let you go. You asking Allah with amazing name. You have to know those names. This Wadud means who will love. He's the caretaker. He's going to take care of you. The one who loves. And he loves to love. He loves to help. And you ask him, oh, the one who loves to help, now help me. أَمَّنْ يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَى. This is what Ibrahim did. أَمَّنْ يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَى. But sometimes we don't use this dua, this weapon, which is the weapon also of dua. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says, وَقُلِ ادْعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ. Ask me and I will reply to you. So this man, he says, Ya Wadud, Ya Wadud, Ya Wadud, Ya Dal Arshil Majid, Ya Fa'alun Lima Yurid. Oh, the one who does anything you want. You the one who does. This guy wants to kill me, but actually you the one. If you want to take my soul, take it, but not this guy. This guy did nothing. If my time is expired, it's in. So Ya Wadud, Ya Fa'alun Lima Yurid. Ya, oh, the one who does whatever he wants. Not this guy, not this government, not this person, not this money, not my bank account, but Allah is the one who does. يَفْعَلُ لِمَا يُرِيدُ. And then he says, أَغِثْنِي يَا مُغِيث. Save me, save me, save me. And then when he finished this prayer, say, Assalamu alaikum, Assalamu. He found that guy killed. And a man with white clothes standing right there. He says, Man ant. He says, I am an angel from the 4th heaven. From the 4th heaven. When you said, Ya Wadud, Ya Wadud, all the malaika, they say, Ya Allah, make me that person to defend this guy. Because when you call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sincerely, man, there is no hujub, there is no veil, the dua goes strictly. This is you have to experience this thing. But so Ibrahim, what did he say? He says, Hasbi Allah. Hasbi Allahu wa ni'mal wakil. What a best protector is Allah. Sufficient for me is Allah, and He is all that. You know what happened? They throw him in the fire. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what did He say? It's in the Quran. Ya nar. Allah spoke to the fire. This is amazing. Ya nar. Oh fire. Kuni bardan wa salaman ala Ibrahim. Ya naru. It's a command from Allah, the creator of the fire. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who created the fire, is the one who created the water, that created Allah can remove the burning mechanism from the fire. like he will do with the knife, like he did for Musa alayhi salam, he opened the ocean, like he did for Isa alayhi salam when he opened the roof and he took him. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can remove the asbab that do something, can remove it. So Allah remove, Ya naru kuni bardan wa salaman, and then he says ala Ibrahim. So the fire burned all those robes and turned all the robes and everything. What happened? MashaAllah, we found a phone, MashaAllah. We're going to sell at auction after we finish. Allahumma sa'an. He says, Ya